We got ourselves a nice little rollover today. 710 Washington off-ramp, very popular hotspot. It's gotta be heavy. You see how the container's budged open like that? Wow. I've said it before and I'll say it 1,000 times, man. In my opinion and experience, these 20-footers are always heavier than the 40-foot containers. We're waiting for CHP to kill this lane. The lane that the truck flipped in. Once this lane is killed, I can position Hulk on one side, and Big Flipper's got it from the opposite end. Throw our booms over the side and we'll work our magic. I think on this one, because it's split directly in the middle right here, Dave wants to tackle the container solo with Big Flipper, which means I'll handle the tractor to bring everything over nice and smooth to make for a nice short video. Alright, we got us a nice little oil spill too, so bringing in a support truck for that. We did a nice job containing it, but it's coming out at a good rate right there. I got my Freightliner pull pins. Might use one as a catch. Let's see. Let's do another walk around. Alright, freeway is finally shut down, or the off-ramp I should say. So, Big Flipper's a strong girl. Big Flipper's gonna take the container solo, and Hulk's gonna take the tractor. I'm gonna do a quick pick it up, try to scoot it right here so when it comes over it lands away from my cab. I'll be using a strap to lift it up. Dave's gonna do the same on each opposite corner of this. So I'll probably help him set up first and then I'll set up my truck. I got it hooked up to the frame. I'm gonna be lifting up. Perfect. I get the front tires at the bottom. Okay, you can see the difference, how much I pushed it out. Now when I flip it over, since I'm doing the tractor solo, I'm gonna bring it to me. Front tire should land right behind that front outrigger. Give myself a little extra room in case because we're going downhill, if you can tell. In case it wants to come over a bit more, you got that extra wiggle room. Now from here, I'm gonna do a lift, raise the tractor high enough so I can throw a strap from the back frame right here underneath and attach to my other line. That'll allow me to bring up the tractor very controlled. It'll be easy. Thank you, Dave, for taking up the drive shaft. I got my environmental support truck here for cleanup. Ooh. Got this puppy airborne. Doing that, gonna get some sand under there. CHP wanted the spill container, and once upright and the tractor's out of the way, then we can actually do the cleaning. But I also have it upright because I'm gonna prep this. The chains go around the rear frame attached to the shackle to my 15-footer. Boom. Upright, huh? Hey, he's not his area. pain. It's so hot and the cleanup was pretty intense. Got the oil pan really good, so while my guys were doing that, Dave and I quick status did the rigging. I got my lift and I got the catch. Boom. So very nice. So come over smooth. Okay, just to recap again from this side. Oh, I love showing off my rigging, man. Look how cool that is. That's my 15-foot container sling, aka Pepe sling. So what's going to the tractor frame underneath, because it's a strap, it's gonna protect the cab. I mean, it won't go on the side, but it's not gonna crush it as like a chain would. And to make it even better, I have a soft shackle. So this is a shackle, just soft, synthetic version to a container sling. 6 foot in length for plenty of height. So as I lift up, the tractor's gonna come over, and then I got my catch right there. Should be an awesome easy flip. And then Dave's got his Spider-Man rigging. Got 2 main lines with angle irons. Pick up the container, and then boom, auxiliary lines to catch. Not bad at all, huh? Are we ready? Lift off. they've let out all the tension and it's going over. That's what sucks about these off ramps and these curves, these embankments. It's once they're upright, it's very common for them to appear shifted. It might just be a little bit shifted, but if you can see right here, if I were to throw a ball, it would roll really fast down there. That's why they flip over here all the time, is this is a very sharp turn. So I told Dave, just use the yellow line and the green line, winch in and put it right here where it's a bit more straight, see? And then let out. If it's still leaning, you might have to counter lean it. Leaning? Alright. I'll cut that lock in. Oh! Let out on everything, Dave! See how it's... See, this is what we're scared of. They let it out on the tension. You see the tires here in the container? All that room. And then, I didn't have to do the hand thing. You can see right away. Look at that. He's got like an inch and a half right there. So yeah, this is leaning bad, and it's not just the curve because they did pull it up. You can account for some leaning, but not this bad. So I'm gonna cut the back. I gotta cut the lock, and I'm airborne once again. I got it by the pull pins, so I can straighten out the tractor portion, and so Carlos can back up. It's got one of those Hendrickson style axles, a super wide, weird one, so it makes it easier too for when Carlos backs up to it to tow it. Oh, and as you can see, they've dragged it all the way up. It corrected it. It's not as bad, so we're gonna take it. I don't think the load's that bad. We open up the back and it's like 20 heavy pallets of car stuff, but I think it should be safe for transport. Ready! Good there. Don't forget, I can always swing it. I can always swing it. And we got the wide forks. I do gotta swing it that way, right? Yeah, watch, extend out.
Yeah, but these...
You want them on the inside?
No, they have to go on the U-post, bro.
Then those aren't wide enough.
I know they're not. Oh yeah, you can turn. You can go that way. Go that way.
me get mine. This truck?
Yeah.
Watch, let me see that. Just to show.
Yeah, they're two.
It does not fit. Gonna get the bigger ones. Oh yeah, these are way better. All right, extend out.
Extendo under this stuff. Want to swing it that way a little more? Hold it.
No.
Oh, it's good. Oh,
Yeah.
you can cut it out a little more. But that one's not hitting.
I just gotta kick this in a bit. Tilt up.
Oh, this one's on the neutral. No, no, no. Go down.
Man.
Swing it that way. Go up and in. Okay, that's good. That's good. Go up. Up. Hold it.
In. Go in a tad. Alright. You get that one?
Go out. Go in. Up. Go what? Yeah. Go up.
Let me go out with the cables. Better, huh? Alright, cool. Alright, folks, that's my cue to put Hulk away. We're gonna try to do this super fast and then get off this off ramp. Alright, got the freeway looking good. Just the final rubbing of the sand right there. They take care of that. Cleanup is done. Tow trucks are put away. This unit actually held up a lot better than I thought. This off ramp, I've done a few videos here before, probably like 3 already. Very popular spot, and it sits at the top of the hill before they turn sharp right. That's how they flip, but it gives you the illusion that it might be leaning, because once it's upright, if the load's not 100% center, it will lean, but that's just because gravity. So we took the risk. It looked okay to go forward. Now that he's on level ground and straight, so good news. No lando required. And just like that, we're out of here. Peace out.